So this is another example problem. Ultimately, it's asking us to use log properties to rewrite this and kind of simplify it so we can kind of clean it up and make it as small of inputs into the log function as possible. So ultimately, this is really just going to make sure that I'm using my log rules. So keep in mind some of our log rules. If I have two logs and like log base 2 of x plus log base 2 of y, keep in mind that that's log base 2 of xy. So if we're adding exponents, we're really multiplying the powers, those exponential expressions. Another one, keep in mind that if I have something like log base 2 of x to the third, that I can rewrite that as 3 log base 2 of x itself. And this is that whole property of exponents where it's, multiplying exponents is really a power to a power, right? And so we have those. So ultimately, if I use maybe that first one right there, I see that I've got multiplication going on right inside there. So I can actually rewrite this as multiple logs or multiple exponents that are being added together. Right, so I've got that log, and then I've got the other log, which is another exponent. So I can rewrite it that way. If I use that second rule, I can actually go ahead and rewrite this to get rid of those exponents that are inside the log, right? Because now I'm just multiplying my exponents. It's that idea going on there. I've got 4 log base 2 of 3. And then ultimately I can still actually, so log base 2 of 4, that's asking what's the exponent on 2 that made 4? What's the exponent on 2 that made 4? And that exponent is 2. So I can rewrite this as 2 times 2, right? Because this was my 2 right there. And then I have add 4 log base 2 of 3. So I can rewrite this as 4 plus 4 log base 2 of 3. Now, that second log is going to be much harder to evaluate, so I don't see a way to really evaluate that precisely without a calculator. So I would probably say that this is good enough. If you look, we've definitely cleaned up the logs. There are far fewer, they're more simple, and so this was really just an exercise in using our properties.